Hello, I'm Rachel Podger. I am a violinist specialising in baroque and classical repertoire, and I love playing on gut strings and with early bows. I've got one here. The great thing about gut strings is that you get to play into the string because it's porous, and you get to play kind of right down to the bottom of the string, as it were, and create a really deep, sonorous, resonant, beautiful sound with lots of different shapes that go along with the figurations and the articulations and the gesture in baroque music. And with the help of something called BOGA, which is a kind of bow yoga that I like to do in my own practice and with my students and on courses. On this course at beautiful Hawkwood College in the Cotswolds, the gorgeous surroundings, we're going to do lots of BOGA as well as other things. I've got these wonderful colleagues, Judith and Jennie, who will introduce themselves in a minute, who are also part of this course, very much so, and we're going to be working together and doing all sorts of beautiful things to do with the body and resonance and creativity and improvisation, and it's going to be the most wonderful few days. We'll also do some playing. I thought we could play a concerto grosso, depending on who signs up. We get the right amount of instruments, and some chamber music if you want to do that kind of thing. And I can't wait to see you there.
Hello, my name's Judith Kleinman and I teach at the Royal College of Music. And I'm so looking forward to collaborating with Rachel and Jennie on the BOGA course at Hawkwood. We're really going to look into the skills of embodied awareness, movement, helping us to find our confidence and ease with our instrument. So looking forward to seeing you there at the beautiful Hawkwood with the best food and the best landscape.
Hi, I'm Jennie Muskett. I'm a composer of music for film and TV, and I love to tell stories in music. I also love exploring the business of how we tend to think that we're only listening to music with our ears, but in fact our entire bodies are involved, every cell, every molecule. These are some of my instruments which I'll be bringing to this beautiful workshop, and I'll be offering a sound journey during which you can relax and allow your imaginations to take you wherever they may. We also have the opportunity to collaborate, to tell our own story in music and sound. I look forward to seeing you there.